Hey Facebook, YouTube, Ryan here, AO Cleaning. Today we are on a duct job today. This is 2 of 3 today. After this we have a cow upholstery to clean and re-protect, and then also 6 areas of carpet. But right now we're doing a duct job for a client, actually a referral, and actually somebody that I network with. And I'll show you what we're doing. So we got 3 levels. Obviously we have an upstairs that we already did. We have a main floor area. We get all the supply and get ready to get the return in the wall cavity. And then we're going downstairs in the basement, do the 2 main trunk lines. But so far we did upstairs. We just got done doing the down here. And then we're going to finish up in this area over here, do the return over there. And then that's going to be a wrap. Then we'll go downstairs in the basement and then open up the end cap and do the main trunk lines. And that's going to do it, guys. And then we're going to clean the air handler and then sanitize the whole system after we're done. As you guys know, we sanitize everything after we're finished, part of our whole package. So that way we don't miss anything. And basically that sanitation we use is botanical. It's a botanical disinfectant that also deodorizes and sanitizes. And it does a really great job. It's made from like I said, a plant. And we're all natural, guys. We use all natural stuff that's biodegradable, safe for your kids, your pets, and your loved ones. So if you haven't reached out to us yet, feel free to do so. The indoor air quality you breathe is so crucial to a healthy indoor environment. And according to the EPA and the American Duct Association, you should get your HVAC cleaned on average every 5 to 7 years. And more often so if you're having a baby, you got any kind of reconstruction done, which this client has done. That's the urgency of it. Plus, she hasn't done it in a long time. So, anytime you do kind of any remodel, construction, sanding of your hardwoods, any demolition, or you bought a home or you're selling a home, it's always a good idea to get your HVAC clean. So the new homeowner or the one that's you're buying from is good to go. Even new construction, guys, it's always important to get your HVAC clean in new construction. The reason why is you were breathing all that construction dust from building it and all the air particulates. So again, the air quality that you breathe is so important. We also offer an air quality control test that we can do to see your VOCs, your formaldehyde, all those things in your air that you're breathing in to get you back in the safe zone. All right, guys, that's what I'm going to do. Just want to educate you guys that. Hope that added value to you. If it did, please like, share, and comment below. And refer to somebody you know. If you haven't used this our service, of course, give us a call. We'll set you up. We take care of you. So typically, guys, we charge 40 cents per square foot for the whole house. That does include everything. We don't nickel and dime on everything. That includes all your returns, your vents, your air handler, your main trunk lines, and also before and after pictures and video, along with the sanitation of your ducts as well. So we do all inclusive, turnkey. We don't have to separate it. And if any other company goes in with a low price, beware. A lot of times they try to get in there to get in the door and then upsell you once they're in, which is not a good business model. We give it to the price up front. We don't quote based on price. We quote based on value. We add value. We bring you value to protect you and your loved ones for many years to come. All right, guys, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. And we're going to get this going, and stay tuned for some results. All right, guys, I want to speak on something else I want to add value to you. Whenever you guys call companies to give you quotes on duct cleaning, not all duct cleaning companies are the same. Beware and leery of ones that aren't reputable or are using an improper method. There are only 2 main ways to do the service, and that is a negative air machine, and of course the push and pull method by roto brush. That's what we use, and many other contractors like myself. And both ways work. The only differences is, one, they got to drill into your main trunk line, attach a vacuum hose to it, turn a machine on that's typically gas powered, and it has a sucking vacuum to it, which is really, really powerful. And then they take a whip hose into each vent and close off some, and then use your air handler to help them, and it just helps break up any loose stuff. Really good process. The problem with that is it is powerful, and some ducting may be damaged. But if they're certified in what they're doing, you should have no barriers or worries. The other method that is available that we use is the push and pull method, which is by Roto Brush. Does a great job. The reason why I like that is Typically, there's no gas associated with it. I mean, we can work inside your home. We can reduce, the gas smell and that kind of thing. And also, it's not so powerful. It's gonna, potentially damage anything. Like if you have flex ducting, then we can tailor it to each duct and vent accordingly. So that's why I really like that method. It's just part of my business model that we really like, and it serves us. But both options are great. But anybody that comes in with like a shop vac and a brush, beware of that. Not all companies are created equal. Make sure that they're reputable. Make sure they typically belong to the BBB and they have good ratings on reviews on Google and so forth. And just make sure you do your homework, guys. Check them out. See if they have any references, any videos, any pictures that can speak to their process and their workload. So again, guys, hope that educated you. Hope that added value to you. And again, if you need us, give us a call. Thanks for watching. And again, guys, to speak to the kind of equipment we use, it's called the Roto Brush Beast, which is right here. Excellent machine. It is so powerful. It has actually 4 vacuums in it itself, and does a really good job. So this is what we use, guys. It's going to educate you on that. So this is okay, as well as a negative machine that they can pull up that has a powerful vacuum on it as well. Both work great, but if anybody comes in other than something like this, like a shop vac or a drill or some kind of vacuum, tell them no thanks. Just a free tip. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, we're doing the main trunk line. Check it out, guys. This is the return to the main trunk. As you can see, it's pretty bad. Look at that. We're gonna get that cleaned up today, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, good to go. Thanks for watching.